And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, welcome back and good evening to you. Yeah, it's evening and it looks like it's midnight out there now. That's just what we do with the time change, and it's probably going to take us a couple of days to get used to it. Now, today we saw more sun than clouds, and that helped to bring us to high temperatures that in Providence were on the doorstep of 65, way above the average of 57. Made it to 62 in Smithfield and in Westerly and in Newport with 64. Rounding out the area in New Bedford, made it to 66 in Taunton. So here's how those numbers stack up versus the average. We actually started 5 degrees warmer than average, and we made it to 65, well above the average high of 57. Records stay in the books for another year. And yeah, our sunrise and sunset times have changed. Now sunrise is at 6:22, so it's much earlier. It's lighter much earlier. And our sunset now, 4:36 was the official sunset time. Here's where we are now, coming off those highs in the lower to mid 60s. We're at 54 right now downtown. We have 53 currently in Newport, 56 in Westerly, 50 for Smithfield, and 52 in New Bedford. We're already down in the 40s in the Taunton area. And winds are generally really light to calm. Where we have winds, we're moving in air from the north. And that north-northwesterly wind is also moving in Canadian air. So it is going to be quite cool tonight. It will be clear. Skies have cleared out quite nicely, and they're going to hold clear as we go through the overnight. But it's as we go to tomorrow where we're going to start to build in some clouds in advance of all this stuff off to our west. That stuff, by the way, is a couple of fronts. So our future cast shows those clear skies that will be with us today and as we go into tonight. Tomorrow morning, we will likely start off with increasing cloudiness that will just continue to build as we go through the day, just like that. Now, this here coming through in the afternoon, that's a warm front, and the air under it is much warmer, and it's going to be here on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, we're going to get a big warm up with temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 60s. But you'll notice this here, this is a cold front that follows behind the warm front, and that means temperatures for Wednesday are going to drop way down by a good 10 to 15 degrees across the region. Tuesday, by the way, is our next solid chance of picking up some showers. Tuesday night, we're going to start to clear out, and that leads us to sunshine on Wednesday. But as we go to Thursday and Friday, we bring back the clouds and the chance of showers. And we're also going to see some gusts as we look to Tuesday, and this is all because of that front coming through. So I wanted to show you our winds will be moving in from the southwest pretty aggressively. At times, we will see wind gusts of 20 to 25 miles per hour as we go into the afternoon. Our temperature trend as we look ahead, a little bit of a roller coaster, a little up-down thing. This was today, topping out close to 65 if you average everyone together. We've got 51 as your Monday high. Then that warm front goes through, brings high temperatures for Tuesday up to 66, followed by the cold front that drops us back down to highs in the 40s. With a day full of sunshine on Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to be a sunny and bright, but definitely chilly day. I'll show it all to you too, coming up in your extended forecast. So for tonight, it's going to be mainly clear, but temperatures will be dropping into the upper 30s. Winds will be light, moving in from the north. On Monday, lots of clouds. It will be cooler with highs topping out near 51. And our extended forecast will show that temperatures are going to be going down once we get past the midweek time frame. Highs will top out in the lower 50s, even the upper 40s. So we're going to swing this way below average. And it looks like we could be dealing with frost on a couple of mornings. The first one being for Thursday morning as lows drop to 33.